If you want to unlink your Zelle account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. This process will help you manage your financial connections more effectively. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device or go to the Facebook website on your computer. Log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu. On the mobile app, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. On the website, click the downward arrow in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Step 3. Find Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments section. This may be under Account Settings or your Facebook information, depending on the version of the app or website you are using. Step 4. Manage Payment Methods. Within the Payments section, locate the option for Payment Methods or Linked Accounts. Here, you will see the accounts linked to your Facebook, including Zelle. Step 5. Unlink Zelle. Select the Zelle account from the list of linked payment methods. Follow the prompts to unlink or remove the Zelle account from your Facebook profile. Confirm any necessary actions to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your Zelle account will be successfully unlinked from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to consult Facebook's Help Center.